welcome back to our channel. We are the PITTSTWINS. And if you guys are new to our channel, welcome to our channel.
You guys, okay, welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys hit subscribe, click that like button, and click the bell next to the subscribe button. You guys will be updated whenever we post a new video. You guys will never miss a video from us.
Today's video is basically going to be on this CBD product that we received from Premium Jane. And you guys, we've actually been loving the CBD products lately. It makes us feel so relaxed. If you guys are looking for like a stress reliever, I would recommend that you guys look into some CBD products because they can be very helpful for anxiety, stress, and guys have any type of sleeping disorders. You can't sleep at night.
Also, it is good for depression and just like Maya said, for sleep, y'all. When I took this, when I tell y'all, I was out like a light.
Okay,
I was out within 30 minutes, probably even earlier. I think I'm gonna just give it 30 to 45 minutes, but I was out. I think I was I don't know if I was already kind of tired, and it was at night. You know, I had a lot going on that day, a little bit of a lot going on that day, so I had went ahead and took two. Y'all, when I tell y'all I was relaxed, I was calm. I went when I tell y'all I went right to sleep. Yeah, I went right to sleep. Y'all, these CBD gummies from Premium Jane are vegan and they are non-GMO and they are tested products as well, y'all. These CBD gummies taste just like regular candy. My personal favorite is the yellow, y'all. I like the yellow in every freaking thing, like whether it's anything, y'all. I'm always give me the yellow candy because I'm gonna eat it. Yellow, orange, the best. Okay. Period.
So yes, y'all, these gummies do taste really good. They have sugar on them, so it tastes really it tastes like a sugary gummy. I'm about to take one right now. I probably got the last yellow one. I'm sorry.
This is what they look like this.
Yeah.
I'm about to pop one in right now, y'all.
So yes, y'all, it's actually good. You actually can take either 2 or 1. The first night I took 2. Today I'm taking 1. When I was on my period, when I was on my cycle, you guys, I only took 1, and it actually helped relax me because when I'm on my cycle, y'all, the first day is always the worst. And I just was like, girl, let me take one of these. It did relieve stress. It did help me relax more. Because like I said, the first 3 days for me is always the worst. So I need something to, you know, help me with stress, with relax. Y'all, my back be cramping.
When
I felt very relaxed taking these products, and I was just like, wow, I'm gonna put this in my cycle routine because these are some good products.
And when I tell y'all, when you're on your cycle, baby, you have an attitude for no reason. You can just look at somebody and just be like, just have an attitude. Just be stank, okay? For no reason. I don't know. Listen. Mine is on my cycle and a little bit before my cycle. So listen, y'all. I know sometimes I be going a little bit overboard, but you know, I just get very hormonal around that time.
Yeah, as any woman would. You guys, these products are by Premium Jane. I recommend that you guys look up your company before you're actually trying them out if you are going to try CBD, but we will leave the link to Premium Jane's the gummies and also their website link in the description box. And also we do have a discount code. It's PITTSTWINS in all caps.
Yeah, all caps. So if you do want to purchase something on their website, then just use our discount code. You guys feel free to use our discount code. Yeah, I was gonna say something. Oh, you guys, also, like, if you have high blood pressure, this is something that will be good to relax you. You know what I'm saying? If you're just always on edge, just with something to this. Oh, here goes a yellow one. No, I'm gonna take that one later because I don't want to fall asleep, y'all, because I got a lot of other videos to film. But yeah, you guys, if you have high blood pressure, if you're like always on edge, it's something very good to take so you can be relaxed. The product does not cure any disease. It does not diagnose. It does not cure any disease that you may have. It is for stress relief. You guys can look up different things about what CBD can cure for you. If you have something that's going on, well, like we said earlier in the video, if you guys are having trouble sleeping, this would be very good. Because the first night me and Mia took them, we were out like a light. We took 2, and like I said, we was out in 25 to 30 minutes. Y'all, y'all, I had some good sleep. Like I really did. I usually wake up. I'm telling y'all, like I usually wake up in the middle of the night. I didn't even wake up in the middle of the night. I was chilling. I was out, honey. I was relaxed. I was just, girl, ready for the next morning, honey. Okay. Right. And then when you got up, you just felt so refreshed, like just. I don't know, but
yeah. So yeah, and it is. I don't know if I said it's 25 mg per gummy, so it's not that many milligrams per gummy.
Yeah, and it's 750 mg per bottle.
Per bottle. Okay, so you can just eat them as a snack all day, like a fruit snack. Literally. But guys can store this up to room temperature for up to a year. So if you guys do, you know, are on your cycle or anything, I would recommend that you guys do try these gummies out because, honey, it's gonna help you out. Cause it helped me out, and I was just like, girl,
we trying to put y'all on, okay? We trying to put y'all on.
But so yes, y'all definitely go check them out.
Just like Maya was saying, make sure you guys are definitely doing your own research on these products and research what company is best for you and your body. Sometimes you could even go to your doctor and ask your doctor about it if that's something that you're not comfortable with. They do fight against glucose and metabolic disorders, so that is something that's about this company. And they also offer a plethora of other products. They have facial products. They have a lot of other products. You got CBD. They have lotion. That's it's been growing. CBD has been growing.
It's been growing over the last couple of years. I'm gonna say like 2 or 3 years.
Yeah. Other products, I did mention their facial products. Their facial products do help maintain the healthy lookiness of your skin, and also the elasticity. Yeah.
I'll say these would be good for sleeping. Because on the bottom it says enjoy and unwind. So it's best like when you want to unwind your day. When you get in from work, honey, you just want to relax, girl. That's why I'm saying pop one of these gummies or pop 2. 1 or 2, however many you want to.
That's what I'm saying. I'm about to drink some wine, and I'm going to tell you guys how I'm feeling after I do that. Okay?
Alright, so
yeah, that is all about this product. This product is from Premium Jane, you guys. Make sure you guys go check them out. It will be linked in the description box. This was just our experience trying these CBD gummies.
Yeah, let us know. Let us know if you guys have experienced any CBD products or CBD gummies. Let us know how it has helped you, or put it in the comment section. Yeah, if it has, put in the comment section so you guys can help someone else, and just let us know if it has worked for you or not.
We are definitely not new to trying CBD products. We have a couple of CBD products.
I've really been loving the ones that I have so far. Yeah. So yeah, if you guys would like us to speak more about it, we probably can speak more about these things in like a vlog or something like that.
Also, if you guys want to update on these, then let us know, because I can update you once I finish the bottle.
Yeah. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please leave us a like, leave us some comments in the comment section down below, honey. Share this video as well.
Share this video everywhere.
Make sure y'all subscribe.
And if you guys do order this product, and use our discount code. It's PITTSTWINS. It'll be right here. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye guys.